power loss, poor acceleration, and a whining noise from your engine are signs your C15 turbocharger may be failing. Choose balanced, long-lasting power with a turbocharger from Highway Heavy Parts. Each turbo is built to OE specifications and tolerances, fitting perfectly on your C15. Concerned about overspooling? This C15 turbocharger is equipped with a wastegate for extra protection. Regulate your maximum boost pressure for less lag time while creating boost, efficiency, and restore the power in your Caterpillar engine.
Backed by a 1-year parts warranty and industry-leading service from our ASC certified technicians. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road.
Connect with Highway Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier.